Sorry. Hello, all. My name is Murali Krishna, and I'm the from the team Apex for the Stanford Hackathon. So the basic project for me is WayPoint. It's an AI-powered opportunistic to-do navigation app, which basically is an app which has a to-do list and an AI agent which takes your raw English statements and converts them to specific tasks, and then locates where you need to do the task and helps you out in doing that without wasting your time. So this is built for the Stanford Redbull basement, built with Gemini Hackathon on May 31st. So it was all me. I'm the one developer who used Gemini and Gemini Google AI Studio to do this. So yeah, front end was done by React 19, TypeScript, and White. The AI engine was Google Gemini. I used Google Gemini. Used it via Google AI Studio. I got a free API from the AI Studio. I use the backend is express.js, and the geospatial, I had a specific previous project with that, an eco route system. So geospatial was done by me. The friction of the daily commute is basically the reason why I created this. So if you have a to-do list and you have, let's say you had to buy milk, you just write down that you have to buy milk, and you might forget it, and might never do it, or you might remember it after coming back to the home, or after passing that and passing away from like 2-3 blocks away. uh, it's of no use, and it wastes a lot of time because you have to come back and then go ahead and do the other tasks. So the reason for making this specific software is the same thing. So I had the same problem, so I built this thing for myself and the others who do the same problem. So basically, first thing, a brain dump. So whatever you have, just a plain English statement, you can just give it to AI. Just click add. It refines it. It checks it out, what category it is, and then it sorts it out with respect to the category. Then what GPS geofencing does is basically reads that category, uses Gemini to understand what that category is, and then converts it into stores. So different stores that you can go and get your things sorted out. And the live map pens are basically based on your live location. So it takes the live location, and wherever you are, the nearest store to complete a specific task is shown to you. The pipeline is basically first step, you need to grab a milk. Yeah, let's just do that. Let's just write, I need to grab milk. The second thing is Gemini uses it and it converts into category. So milk is basically grocery. So Gemini understands it and puts it in specific category called grocery. Then the backend fetches Google Places API, which basically is like, it just has whatever what the place does. And based on that, we just map it out. So grocery, let's say Ralph's. So I need to buy milk. So Gemini understands that's something related with groceries, and Google Places API has something called groceries, so it can be done by Ralph's. So it connects it with Ralph's. Then what it does is takes that Ralph, takes the nearest point of that, and converts that string specific address into the latitude and longitude coordinates. And then the last thing is GPS geofencing, basically pins it on the map. So then the second phase is basically, okay, I have all the points or I have all the stores that I need to do, but how will I go about it? I don't know the perfect route by which, first I'll do this, second I'll do this. It can be random or it can be perfect. So that's the reason I built this TSP route optimizer. What it does is basically it takes a specific point, it takes all the stores that I need to you, so that you can complete all of your tasks, and just gives you a route. So let's say from this point, I need to go to this point, then this point, then this point. So it basically does that. And it helps you out in going faster and decreasing the time by a lot. And then if you say, I want to buy milk, but I want to buy it from Walmart, you can do that as well. You can just put it out as item/brand search. Just say Walmart, and basically it only takes Walmart into consideration and nothing else. So you can do that as well. The code-based architecture is basically server.ts handles all the backend. App.tsx takes care of all the front end and the integrations between them. Then the map canvas is basically your map. Types.ts takes care of the interfaces, and the distance.ts takes care of the routes. Then the basic reason is because if you have a specific task and you forget that it's on this way, So what we do is you write them out, and once you go about a specific point, it just gives you an alert when you are zero point 0.5 miles away from it. It just tells you, hey, you want to go there and get your milk? Well, you can get it. So that's what it does, and it has helped me a lot. I've checked it, I've tried it, I've tested it. So the demo will be put it in another session. Thanks for all. And a detailed video is put out as well in the YouTube channel. You can go and refer to that if you want to. Thank you.